Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about the chapter 15, that is light. In this chapter, we had already discussed about light and reflection of light. Under that, we had performed some activities also. Now today we will understand the image formed in the mirror. So what the different types of image. Today we will discuss about the types of image. So there are two types of image, that is called real image and virtual image. Real image and virtual image. So first of all, let's discuss about a real image. So real image can be obtained on a screen. The first and the foremost important quality of a real image is it is obtained on a screen. Real image is obtained on a screen and it is formed when light rays that actually passes through the screen. It is formed by light rays that actually passes through the screen. So this is called the real image, and this image is always inverted. So three qualities are there, that real image can be taken on a screen. It is formed when light rays actually passes through the screen, and it is always inverted. Try to understand the example of real image, then you are able to understand what a real image is. I hope all of you have visited a cinema hall to watch a movie. So when you watch a movie on a cinema screen, then you find that from the behind, from the projector, light is coming and it fall on the screen, and then the image is formed. So this is the example of real image. Here image is formed on the screen. So and we are able to enjoy it because when the light falls on the screen is uneven and it will reflect in different directions, and we enjoy this movie. So this is an example of real image. Now comes to the virtual image. Just opposite of that, virtual image cannot be obtained on a screen. So it is formed by light rays that seems to pass through the screen, but it will not pass. It is always erect and laterally inverted. It is always erect means straight, proper straight, and always inverted. Laterally inverted. So here is the example of virtual images. Your face in a plane mirror. If you stand in front of a plane mirror, the image which is formed inside the mirror for you, that image is called virtual image. And this image you cannot obtained on a screen, and this image cannot be obtained on a screen. So this is called a virtual image. So I hope you are able to understand the difference between real image and virtual image, and what a real image is and what a virtual image is. Now move to the next topic, that is lateral inversion. So as I told you, in virtual image, when you stand in front of a mirror, then you will find your image inside the mirror. But here, if you do an activity, that is activity 15.4, you will find that there is some wonderful things about this image. If you, as per the activity 15.4, if you raise your right hand, you will find that in the mirror it is just opposite of that. The image raises its left side. If you raise your left hand, the image raises the just opposite of that. If you touch your left eye, the image seems to touch its right eye. So this is laterally inverted. This is called lateral inversion. And the best example of that, if you have seen the vehicle that carries patient from their home to hospitals, that we called ambulance. On front of that vehicle, if you observe, the word ambulance written just oppositely. Okay, the word ambulance written just opposite. So that when the ambulance is moving through the road, the person in the vehicle ahead of the ambulance, he is observing in the mirror, in the rear mirror of its car. So that very person able to understand that, okay, from the behind an ambulance is coming, because in the mirror he is observing that, okay, the word becomes laterally inverted and that word shown in the mirror is ambulance. So here is the thing, that is why that ambulance word is just written oppositely. So this phenomenon is called lateral inversion. This phenomenon is called lateral inversion. And it is our duty to give way or passage to ambulance. So here in this video lecture we had discussed about image, types of image, and lateral inversion. Remember the examples, you are able to remember the definitions. So class, I hope you are able to understand this lecture well, about these topics well. If any problem, ask me class, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.